Before leaving on any road trip, it's really advisable to check your vehicle properly and thoroughly and give it a proper safety inspection. And the first thing you need to do before you load your suitcases is don't forget your spare wheel. And now that the car's loaded, you've of course got to check other things. You've checked your spare tire. Now, what about your tire pressures, the treads, brake pad wear, fluids, water, brake fluid? All of those sort of things need to be checked before embarking on a long road trip, and even more so if you've got your family with you. But if anybody wants even more peace of mind, there's something that your checklist should have, and that is a well-stocked first aid kit inside your vehicle. The domestic motorist first aid kit, it's lightweight, easy to store and portable, which makes it perfect to transport on your road trip. It fits perfectly underneath the passenger seat. Or if you don't want to put it there, how about in there, in that pouch? Both of them will work very well, and it's there when you need it. And it should rather be in your vehicle than in the boot, because if you're rear-ended, you're not going to be able to access that kit. For everything that you can possibly need. Big Burnshield dressing, very important if there's any burns or along the way on the accident. You've got bandages, you've got everything you'll need, a mouthpiece for CPR. All those items are there, available for you, and there for an emergency. Whether that emergency involves you, your passengers, or even a pedestrian or another road user.